Success, we admire it, pursue it, and sometimes fear it. But what if becoming successful wasn't about luck, talent, or being born in the right family? What if the world's most accomplished people, leaders, artists, entrepreneurs, athletes, were simply following a specific set of habits? Habits that science proves can rewire your brain for achievement? Today, we reveal the 7 science-backed habits of highly successful people habits you can start using today to transform your mind, your work, and your entire life. The first habit is clarity. Successful people know exactly what they want. Not vaguely, not someday. Specifically, researchers at Dominican University found that people who write down their goals are a staggering 42% more likely to achieve them. It's not magic, it's neurology. When you write something down, you engage your brain on a deeper level, signaling that this information is important. High achievers create this clarity through 3 simple but powerful steps. First, they write their goals down, making them tangible and real. Second, they define their why. Knowing the deep emotional reason behind a goal fuels your motivation when challenges arise. And third, they review their goals daily. This keeps their destination top of mind so their brain can constantly work on finding the path. Think of Elon Musk, who famously maps his decisions backward from his long-term goal of making humanity a multiplanetary species. Or Olympic athletes who visualize their gold medal performance every single day, training their minds just as they train their bodies. When your brain knows exactly where you're going, it will work tirelessly behind the scenes to find ways to get you there. Clarity isn't just about knowing what you want. It's about programming your mind to achieve it. So, what's your number 1 goal? Write it down right now. The second habit is deep focus. In our world of constant notifications, pings, and distractions, the ability to focus is a true superpower. Science shows that when you enter a state of deep work, your brain actually creates stronger neural pathways. It's like you're upgrading your mental software with every focused session. Conversely, multitasking is a myth that drains your cognitive resources. A study from the University of London revealed that multitasking can temporarily lower your IQ even more than losing an entire night of sleep. Successful people understand this. They don't just hope for focus. They architect it. They schedule focus blocks, uninterrupted periods of time where phones are off, notifications are disabled, and all their attention is laser sharp on a single important task. Bill Gates is famous for his Think Weeks, where he completely disconnects from the world to read and think deeply. Authors like J.K. Rowling have been known to isolate themselves in hotels just to finish their manuscripts without interruption. This isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. 1 hour of true deep focus will always beat 5 hours of scattered, distracted effort. The next time you have an important task, try scheduling a 60-minute focus block. Turn off everything else and give that one task your undivided attention. The results will speak for themselves. The third habit is continuous learning. If there's one universal habit that all successful people share, it's this: they never ever stop learning. Their education didn't end with a diploma. For them, life is the ultimate classroom. And science backs this up. The concept of neuroplasticity shows that our brains can grow new connections and rewire themselves at any age, as long as we keep them stimulated with new information and challenges. Lifelong learning is the key to keeping your mind sharp, adaptable, and innovative. Think about it. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in history, still reads for 5 to 6 hours every single day. Elon Musk famously taught himself rocket engineering by devouring textbooks. Oprah Winfrey credits her phenomenal success to a lifelong love of reading and learning from others. The habit of learning isn't complicated. You can start by reading for just 20 minutes a day. Listen to educational podcasts during your commute. Take an online course in a subject that sparks your curiosity. The key is to follow your curiosity, not just trends. The more you learn, the more you can earn, just in money, but in knowledge, confidence, and opportunity. Learning isn't a chore. It's an investment in your greatest asset, your mind. The fourth habit is consistency. Success isn't built in a single day of heroic effort. It's built day by day with small, repeated actions. The habit of consistency is what separates the dreamers from the achievers. Behavioral psychology has a name for this: the compound effect. Just like how small amounts of money grow exponentially with compound interest, tiny daily habits compound over time to produce massive results. The math is simple but profound. Writing just 10 minutes a day adds up to a full book in about a year. Doing just 20 push-ups a day will lead to dramatic gains in strength over a few months. Successful people don't wait for motivation to strike. They know motivation is fickle. Instead, they rely on systems and discipline. They commit to repeating the small, essential steps, especially on the days they don't feel like it. It's on those bad days that the habit of consistency is truly forged. Think of it like this. An airplane is off course 90% of the time, but it constantly makes small corrections to reach its destination. Consistency is your guidance system. It's about showing up, doing the work, and trusting the process. Motivation gets you started, but consistency is what gets you to the finish line. The fifth habit is positive self-talk. Listen to your inner voice for a moment. Is it a coach or a critic? We often talk to ourselves more harshly than we would ever talk to a friend. But successful people understand that their inner dialogue is a powerful tool that directly influences their performance. And science proves they're right. A study from Michigan State University found that using positive self-talk, specifically addressing yourself in the third person, can help calm the brain's emotional center, the amygdala, and increase rational decision-making in the prefrontal cortex. It's like having an internal mentor guiding you. You see this in action everywhere. Elite athletes use powerful affirmations before a big competition to get into a peak state. Top public speakers visualize a successful speech, talking themselves through every step. Successful people actively build themselves up. This isn't about fake positivity or ignoring reality. It's about cultivating empowering beliefs. Instead of "I can't do this," they say, "I can learn how to do this." Instead of "I failed," they say, "I learned what doesn't work, and I will improve." They frame their mindset around growth. I'm not perfect, but I am progressing. Your self-talk is the script for your life. By changing the script, you can change the outcome. The sixth habit is managing physical energy. Success isn't just a mental game. It requires a huge amount of physical, mental, and emotional energy. You can have the best plans and the strongest willpower, but if your body is running on empty, you won't get very far. High achievers treat their bodies like a high-performance engine because they know it fuels their mind. The science is undeniable. Regular exercise increases something called BDNF, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor. This protein is like fertilizer for your brain. It boosts memory, focus, and the ability to learn new things. And you don't need to become a marathon runner to reap the benefits. Most high achievers have simple, sustainable routines. They incorporate 10 to 20 minutes of movement into their day, take short walks to clear their head, stay hydrated, and prioritize quality sleep. Apple CEO Tim Cook famously wakes up before 4 a.m. to exercise, stating it keeps him sane. Richard Branson credits his physical fitness for boosting his productivity by 30 to 40%. Your body and mind are not separate. They are a deeply interconnected system. Taking care of your physical energy is one of the highest leverage activities you can do. Your body fuels your mind. Don't neglect the engine. The seventh and final habit might be the most important of all: resilience. Everyone faces setbacks, failures, and disappointments. It's an inevitable part of any ambitious journey. The difference is that successful people don't just endure failure. They learn from it and bounce back stronger. Psychology calls this grit, the powerful combination of passion and perseverance for long-term goals. Angela Duckworth, groundbreaking research at the University of Pennsylvania, showed that grit is a more significant predictor of success than either intelligence or raw talent. Every single successful person you can name has a story of failure. Steve Jobs was famously fired from Apple, the very company he co-founded. J.K. Rowling's manuscript for Harry Potter was rejected by 12 different publishers. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. What do they all have in common? They didn't quit. They didn't let failure define them. They adapted, they persisted, and they used the experience as fuel. Resilience isn't about being indestructible. It's not about being so strong that you never fall. It's about being flexible, having the ability to bend under pressure without breaking, and then springing back up, ready for the next round. It's the habit that makes all the other habits possible. So there you have them, the 7 science-backed habits that can truly transform your life. Clarity, to know your destination. Deep focus, to make meaningful progress. Continuous learning, to expand your capabilities. Consistency, to build unstoppable momentum. Positive self-talk, to be your own greatest ally. Physical energy, to fuel your ambition. And resilience, to persevere through any storm. You don't need to master all of them at once. In fact, that's the fastest way to get overwhelmed. Just start with one. Pick the one habit that resonates with you the most right now and commit to it for the next 30 days. One powerful habit has the ripple effect to change every other part of your life. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. This is Sheer Knowledge TV, where learning never ends. If you found value in this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who is ready to build their own success story. Thanks for watching.